Yeah. Good job.
See?
Good job. Oh, do you need... Sadie.
What is that noise?
It's Chloe.
Chloe, what are you doing?
You want to see? Wow.
I'm washing my hands.
What do you think?
Since you got here, I think she does that.
Wow.
Dry your hands, please. Dry
Wow.
them really good. Did you dry your hands really good?
You coming? Got to see the other side? Okay. See the other side. See? Now we got Chloe.
The stock price is too high. You know what I mean? It was such an
The offer was too high.
And the mirror business is in decline, and they haven't figured out how to do it. You know, their business is going like this. So somebody comes in and offers you. Do you want to stand up? Chloe.
Sadie.
You don't need to.
High five? High five? Yeah, bring it.
It's just so odd. It's so odd.
Yeah.